So guys, now it's time to see how Georgians are making amazing khachapuri, which is very tasty, very simple, very easy to make, but same time very tasty. For khachapuri guys, we need to make a dough, which is wheat flour, salt, water, a little bit of yeast, and then we are gonna mix it all well, wait around 1.5 hours, and after that we can start making amazing, tasty khachapuri. So, for khachapuri guys, most important part is what? Cheese, exactly. But we are talking not only cheese, we are talking about a lot of cheese. As I said, a lot of cheese, guys. A lot of cheese. Great. Now she is gonna make huge khinkali with it. You see? Now she will put it upside down. She will. Yes. No, it's too much cheese inside. It's difficult to put it outside. Here they are using the sauce which is made with the egg called the mayonnaise sauce, but made here, not in the supermarket. It's very good because it gives really nice color and taste as well. Oh, looks delicious. And of course, more cheese like Georgian salt bae style, guys. Perfect. Say thank you to the lady.
Thank you.
And now it's time to have a lunch. Please.